Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to create affiliates and access the affiliate portal inside your PulseGrowth account. Let's get started. First, go to the Marketing tab, then navigate to the Affiliate Manager tab and open Campaigns. Click on Add Campaign to create a new one. Give your campaign a name and select where you want your affiliates to direct traffic. This means choosing where your product or service is located. In this example, we'll select a funnel and then pick the specific page where the product is placed. Next, we'll set up the rewards. Start by defining the default commission for this campaign, and if you need more specific rules, you can also set up advanced commission settings. Once that's done, click on Assign Affiliate and select the affiliate you want to assign this campaign to. Now let's create a new affiliate. Go to the Affiliate tab and click Add Affiliate. Here you'll enter their details such as email, first name, last name, and company name. Under the Details tab, you can also add additional information like their website, phone number, and country. Once the affiliate is created and assigned to a campaign, they will automatically receive an email with their login details. You can manage affiliates by clicking the three dots next to their name. This menu allows you to mark them as inactive, manually add sales or leads, and more. At the bottom of this section, you'll also see options to approve or decline commissions when someone makes a purchase through the affiliate's link. When your affiliate logs into their portal using the login details you provided, they will be able to see all the key information: total clicks, total leads, total customers, and the revenue they've generated. They'll also see a record of their approved commissions. To pay the pending commissions, go to the Payout tab. From there, you can process payments directly to your affiliates. Please note that payments can only be made via bank transfer and are not supported through Stripe, Square, or similar platforms. And that's it. For more detailed instructions or troubleshooting, visit our support portal or reach out to us at connect@pulsegrowth.io.